Welcome to this video, dear learners. Another video on pseudocodes. So let's look at this question. We're taught that write a pseudocode for calculating volume of a cone, and we've been provided with a formula for a cone. Okay, so we already have the formula. Okay, so the only thing to do here, so we have our inputs here. So this is input. Okay, so we're going to input these things R and H. Okay, and this is our output, or what we are going to display. Okay, the V is the output, what we are going to display. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to take note of here. Okay, so we have to enter first of all R. So R is the radius. Okay, R is the radius, and then H is the height. Okay, the pi, that one is just a number, so numbers we don't input them. Okay, the pi is just like any other number. Okay, so in any formula, okay, what's on the left hand side, I repeat again, left hand side is your output, and what's on your right hand side, these are your inputs. Okay, so let's begin this pseudocode. Okay, so solution. So solution, start. Okay, so immediately you start. If it were a flowchart, would have used an elongated circle. Now this is a pseudocode, so we're just going to write the word start. Okay, so after you do start, okay, you need to enter your inputs. Okay, so usually you find that some would enter them both at the same time, but then each of these will have certain conditions, right? So H and R have different conditions under volume for a cone. So we're going to enter them separately. So first we're going to say enter. Okay, enter radius. Okay, enter radius. Enter radius. Okay, so we've entered radius. We haven't entered the height first. So enter radius. Then we're going to give a condition now. Okay, we're going to say if radius is less than 0. Okay, radius is less than 0, or you can just write this as if radius is less than 0. Okay, it's the same thing. So if radius is less than 0, okay, then enter R. Okay, then enter R and re-enter. Okay, what you want to get is a positive radius that is not less than 0. Re-enter radius. Okay, so that's the condition, right? So if radius is less than 0, okay, radius should not be less than 0. Okay, so enter R and re-enter radius. Okay, then you're going to say else enter height. Okay, else enter height. Okay, so again, so the else here simply means that no, the radius is not less than 0, meaning it's greater than 0. So you proceed and enter height. Okay, then you're going to say again, if height is less than 0. Okay, if height is less than 0. Okay, if height is less than 0, then enter error. Okay, enter error and re-enter radius. Okay, then else, we're just doing the same thing, else. Okay, so now that we have entered, so we've entered both the height and the R. So else we're going to command else volume is equal to 1/3 star pi star r star r, okay, that's r squared, star h, okay, that is the volume, right? Okay, so the star simply means multiply, okay. Okay, then we're going to say end. So you end if, okay, end if, okay, we say display v, okay. This was our output, display v, okay, display v, and then you stop. You stop, okay. So this is our pseudocode. We've made the pseudocode out of. So these things, they only need practice, and the only way you can become good is when you practice them, right? When you practice them. So now let's say if we were told to come up with a flowchart, okay? Let's say we're told to come up with a flowchart. Let's do a flowchart on this other side. We'll see how it's going to look like. So a flowchart, these are now where we use a different type of shapes, okay. So we are going to get our details from the pseudocode, okay. So start, we know start goes with this shape, okay. We write there start, okay. Enter, for entering you use this shape, we call it the parallelogram. So enter r, okay, you can just say enter r, right, for the radius, enter r. So we have a condition if, okay. So whenever you see a condition if, here is where now you come up with a diamond, right? So in this diamond, the word if here will change to is, radius less than 0. So this side you're going to pick yes, and this side you're going to pick no, okay. So when you ask a question here, this question in the diamond only answers yes or no, okay. So is radius less than 0? Yes, it is less than 0. So I said if it's less than 0, and enter error, okay. We're going to enter error and re-enter radius. So re-entering the radius, we're not going to draw another box for re-entering. So when you're re-entering, you just show an arrow going back here, okay. That's how you do it, re-enter the radius, okay. So what you should know is that this then, okay, in the flowchart it will go with the yes, okay, else will go with the no, okay, else will go with what? No. So else meaning no, okay. Enter height, okay, we're going to enter height again. So enter h for height, okay. See the shape I'm using, say parallelogram. Then again we have another condition, if height is less than 0, okay, we go down, a diamond, for making a decision, is h less than 0, okay. This is a question, so this is a question, put a full stop, I mean a question mark. So this side will go with yes, here no, okay. So now yes, we're agreeing that h is less than 0, so we're supposed to enter error, okay. We're supposed to enter error, okay, error and re-enter. So re-entering, we take it back again, okay. Else meaning no, display the formula. So we use, so for formulas you use strictly it's a rectangle. So you say volume is equal to 1/3
power off
star pi star r star r star, or you can just write r squared h, okay. Then you end if the volume is displayed, okay. Then you say display v and you stop. Right, so that is what we have. Okay, that is basically what we have. Okay, so this is it. So you can be given a flowchart, so you can be given this flowchart, you come up with it, you can take it backwards from a flowchart to a pseudocode. Okay, so let me know if you understand anything. If you have any question, please just leave it on the comment section. So we do conduct also online tuitions via Telegram. We have a class, so if you'd like to join the class, you can just comment on the section. I'll be able to respond. And also those with questions that would like me to answer you any past paper question, you can just put that on the comment section. I'll be able to teach any topic that you would like me to teach. Right, so this is the end. For those new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and support our channel to grow.